Now, the following question based on the same data is, assume that the memory is byte addressable and the word size is 32 bits. If an interrupt occurs during the execution of an instruction INC R3, what return address will be pushed into the stack? So that is, the program counter value that is going to be pushed into the stack is what? When an interrupt occurs during the execution of an instruction INC R3. Let us have a look at. Okay. Now, for that, again, we need to go for the same old practice of assigning addresses to the instructions. Okay. Each instruction is of 32 bits and it is byte addressable. And you know how to assign the addresses. The program is getting loaded from 1000. So this is 1000. This is 2 words. 2 words meaning 2 words in the main memory will be assigned to this instruction. This instruction is going to occupy 2 words. 1 word is equal to 32 bits. 32 bits is equal to 4 addresses. So 2 words meaning this instruction is going to take 8 addresses. 1002, 1007. Similar to our previous question, which was given in 2007. Okay. Now, this instruction offset is 1008. This instruction is a 1-word instruction, so it just takes 1008 to 1011. So this instruction offset is 1012. This instruction offset is 1016. This is a 1-word instruction, 1012 to 1015. This instruction is going to consume 1016 to 1019. This instruction is going to consume because this is also a 1-word instruction. And then this INC instruction is going to take 1020 to 1024. Okay. DEC is from 1024 to so on. This DEC is also 1-word instruction. So DEC also takes 1024 to 1027. This BNZ loop is a 2-word instruction. So right from 1028 to so on. 1028 to 1035 it is going to take. The halt instruction offset is 1036. Okay. So again, this instruction offset is 1000. This instruction offset is 1008. This instruction offset is 1012, 1016, 1020, 1024, 1028, 1036. Now, what is the question? When instruction INC R3 is getting executed, INC R3, when this instruction is getting executed, what is the program counter value? Program counter value is the address of the next instruction, right? The address of the next instruction is 1024. Yes, this is the program counter value. When this instruction is getting executed, the program counter value for this instruction is the address part of the next instruction, that is 1024. That is the program counter value. When an instruction occurs during the execution of INC R3, this instruction will get executed and the address part of the next instruction, either you can call it as a program counter value or a return address, will get pushed into the stack. The return address that gets pushed into the stack is the address part of the next instruction for the current instruction. The current instruction is INC R3. The current instruction's address is 1020. Next instruction's address is 1024. So the program counter value that gets pushed into the stack is 1024. Okay. So C is the correct option.